One single YouTube channel has generated over $1 million. It's just bonkers to me how easy it is or it has become to make money on YouTube, especially right now when there's a lot of things happening around the world every minute that there's countless of things to talk about and go viral. There are thousands of people just like you and others who are just teenagers, less qualified, or don't know different stuff or experience like you do, and yet they are making thousands and millions of dollars just on YouTube. I'm going to show you a channel that has made over $2 million with YouTube revenue alone, not factoring in other streams of income. After that, I'm going to review to you what no one tells you about growing on YouTube and basically show you how these channels got these insane results for you to easily copy their strategies. So let's start with the first channel example right here. I want you to observe or take note of something by the time I review the second channel. So this channel has gained 209 million views and almost 400,000 subscribers, and it has generated over $1 million in revenue. Now, before I show you how this was done, let me show you a different channel. This one got way less views at 133 million views, but made way more money, which is over $2 million. So how did these channels get these views and made so much money? Well, let's start from the first channel. This channel is in the celebrity news niche. So as some of you might already guess by now, this channel's strategy is simply tapping into trending celebrity news, which gets videos thousands and millions of views really quickly. But you can also do the same in your niche by utilizing whatever that is trending in your niche. It can help your video ride the wave and get thousands or millions of views as well. Now with this second channel, it belongs to Jordan. So what has helped him get these millions of views and dollars is to come up or make videos based off of really good video ideas. He finds these ideas by noticing which videos have done very well on average for other creators, and you can use vidIQ to help you with that. Then from there, you need to package your videos with a great title or thumbnail that makes viewers feel stupid to click away. As the saying goes, if people don't click your video, they don't watch it. Afterwards, you just need to make or execute your video to match viewers' expectations. You need to deliver on the promise of the video idea and the package of the video. Once you do that consistently, you eventually monetize your channel and make banks with it. So if you want to learn more step by step on each one of the things that I just mentioned, then click this video.